What's happening, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another live stream. Boris is going to join us soon. We are looking at a couple setups today. Like Boris was saying in his video, we're looking for potential long setups on the altcoins because the Bitcoin dominance chart is finally dropping and breaking support. So we've been waiting for this potential level to break, which is what I'm going to show you now. And when the Bitcoin dominance level breaks, we're going to see a few altcoins pop, and that's why we saw a Hedera. I'm not too sure if there was any news, but it pumped like 100% within like 5 hours or something. So, but this is going to be the most important chart today, and it's a Bitcoin dominance chart. You can see price close below the key support, and the next key level is 54%. So it's looking like it might drop around about 1% today. We'll have to wait and see how the day unfolds, and obviously London just opened, so this is a good sign for the altcoins, right? Because I was thinking if Bitcoin dominance was going to break this level yesterday, then we're going to have to wait a couple of days for the altcoins to actually move. But as you can see, we had Floki like 16%, Pepe 70%, Ondo 14%, Bonk 30%, with 22%, HBAR. So everything's just pumping. So that's definitely just due to this chart over here. So like whenever you get a broken support on like the Bitcoin dominance chart, then that is when you see price for the altcoins especially, right? Because that is when you see all the money flow into the altcoins. So yeah, the setup that Boris is now actually looking at today, he looks at this and it looks really good. So we both took it. It's a Matic long, okay? So you can see with Matic, look on the 1 hour time frame, and then obviously look how it's retesting this previous resistance. So I do think that we might see Matic fill this whole imbalance here back up to 0.85. This will be on the higher time frame, right? But first TP would probably be 0.8, I guess, which is pretty much halfway between the upper level. So if you look at this from entry, if you had an this is what you would see. Okay, so yeah, like 13%, and then TP1 is around about 6%. So this is the setup that Boris and I took. But yeah, Boris is here. Welcome, Boris.
Stream with you after yesterday's stream as well. Yeah, so we did take that Matic long, and it's up about 0.57% right now. So I think I used 9x leverage, so that is about it's up about 4 or 5% so far. So still very far away from its first take profit. I also posted this if any of you guys are in, the Telegram group, with the the Da Vinci Telegram group or the HCA one. We did post that signal. So and I'll probably be posting some more signals today on the alt if I see any. But yeah, I think Matic is looking good. I also had my eyes on was it AVAX, and then I think also Axie Infinity. And although I'm waiting for more of a pullback on AXS, and then also I think I had one more. No, I think Matic, AVAX, and yeah, AXS were the ones that I'm looking at. I also think we were talking about Big Time, because that one had a big pullback yesterday after being listed on Upbit. So we're thinking about taking that. I think, why don't we take a look and see how that's doing?
Yeah, I'm looking at this same thing because Boris and I took the setup as well as yesterday. And then we ended up just closing like at these highs, but you can still see it's still respecting the support over here. So I think this looks good. Maybe just I'll probably wait for the next 30 minutes and see how this closes, but it looks good.
Yeah, I think we might as well take that as well, given that all the alts are rallying and we have Bitcoin dominance going down. So the setup today does look prime for more altcoin appreciation rather than for Bitcoin.
Yeah, so the stop loss would probably just be below around about 0.21, just below this wick over here. I guess it's TP at these highs.
Yeah, I mean, for me, I would take partial. TP is like at the middle. of this range. Like it's probably around 24 cents or something.
Okay.
And then my final would probably be at that wick from yesterday.
Okay.
Seems like a lot of the meme coins are rallying.
Yeah, it's weird.
My screen. Trying to look at the crypto bubbles really quick.
Yeah, bonk as well.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, so we got like bonk. What is it? H-bar. That's funny. H-bar was just listed on CoinW futures yesterday. And then yeah, Floki's up 15%. Dog? Oh, yeah. You already mentioned dog with that is up 21.5 and algo's 22.
Looking pretty bullish, and it's only like what? Not even. We just opened the London session, and we're still like.
the London session, and we're still like many hours away from the New York session. So I'm curious what the day will bring.
Yeah, I mean, I'm quite bullish today, especially on altcoins. What's Bitcoin doing? Let's have a look at Bitcoin.
I feel like Bitcoin has just been
going sideways, really.
Stand down.
If you zoom out,
Like if you zoom out, especially, I don't think there's really been a trend. So
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's doing much. USDT dominance. If USDT dominance breaks like 4.57, then it's going to be so bullish.
yeah, and also let me share the Matic chart. What I was really looking at on the 8-hour was this resistance rate at about 0.749. And also we do have some bullish momentum coming in. So like all the volatility indicators that I use are showing some bullish price action.
Yeah, I like to see it.
So I was also looking at AVEX. So here I'm using like 55 EMA, but we can change it to 21. Feel more aggressive.
turn on my mic, so this should be better now. All right. Yeah. So
depending on
which kind of moving average you guys use,
you could get
an earlier entry. So if you're using the 21, it's probably valid right now, but you want to wait till it breaks above this resistance and basically above these wicks. It'll be above the 55, and then we can like probably take it to like $42.
Yeah, I like this. I'm personally just going to wait until it breaks above on the 1 hour or the 4 hour actually.
And then really also I'm looking at AXS. So it did break above like this 0.7, just call it $8 resistance level that I've had. I know I have a lot of pivot points here, but turn them off. So I think if we can keep going here, what is this, AXS? Yeah, it could reach perhaps.
Above,
yeah.
Yeah, it looks good, bro.
I just don't like how big this candle was. Like, if you can get a pullback back to like $7.80, that would look a bit more attractive. But this thing just might keep going. Like in crypto, like things just tend to break out and keep going and not really pull back.
Yeah, this looks clean, bro. I think it's just going to come.
Yeah, we're also looking at Bitcoin dominance. So let's see how that's like.
Yeah, I don't know. Bitcoin dominance doesn't look good today, which is good for the alts.
Yes, it does look like Bitcoin dominance is like.
Yes, it does look like Bitcoin dominance is like kind of
I don't
topping
like
out
how
here.
it, the top wicks we have.
I don't like how it,
and then
the top
just
wicks
kind
we
of
have
sliding
over
down.
here.
So
And
this is a
then
bullish
just kind of like
sign
sliding
for
down
alts.
here. So this is a bullish
And they
sign
have
for
been
alts.
kind of destroyed during the
Yeah, they have been kind of destroyed during the last week,
risk-off sell-off.
especially with the whole risk-off sell-off in the equity markets.
Are there any other setups?
Are there any other setups that you're paying attention to?
I'm trying to look. I like 1 inch, but we don't have 1 inch.
Right.
I think we just
added it.
1 inch?
You know,
Oh, what?
just added a bunch like in the past week.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
And H bar, no, they haven't been added yet.
Okay.
Ethereum also looks quite bullish as well. It closed above on the 4 hour.
Ethereum.
But I'm not going to take it, but it does look like it might continue.
Yeah, I just think the other alts have more opportunities just because Ethereum just kind of moves very slow and it's only up 0.93%, while the others are up like Matic's up 3% and then Axi's up 4.4%. So that'd go with the ones that are doing better than Ethereum.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's look at Ethereum dominance actually. That's a metric not many people look at. I would assume it's down as well.
I like Solana as well. Me close above as well.
Okay, Ethereum dominance.
So
Ethereum dominance is up actually to 16.6. Maybe in comparison to like Bitcoin, we could see Ethereum continue to appreciate back to like 17% or so. But Ethereum dominance has really been beaten down. What do you think about the Ethereum ETFs? Do you think they're going to be approved?
I don't think like anytime soon, to be honest. But I think it will definitely get approved, but I'm not too sure when. But I don't think anytime soon. What do you think?
Yeah, I think the odds from like Bloomberg is like 50%. So I think it's literally just like coin flip. But I think if it does get approved, it'll be like it'll cause a big rally in Ethereum, because I think most traders and investors are anticipating that the SEC will reject them. So I think actually the chances are favor a rejection. So if we do get a surprise, then like I think Ethereum could get like a 20-25% rally.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
Yeah, especially if it is a surprise.
let's actually see if we can like get the odds on the Ethereum.
Oh yeah.
That betting website? That's like decentralized betting website.
Stake.
No, but they have like the odds for like the odds of the Ethereum ETF approval and other crypto-related things. I was just slipping my mind right now. Oh, Polymarket.
Okay.
Yeah, I think they have the odds on the. So I'm gonna pull it up right now. Just waiting for this to load. Basically, if we go down to crypto prices, I think
It's a really cool website, actually.
this is a really cool website, actually. Or it's like basically like another exchange. You can like place bets on pretty much everything from like politics to crypto, and it's all settled in I think USDC. All right, so let's see what we got here. There's a lot of interesting things here.
Poly markets. I want to check this out.
I have to go to the crypto section.
I think I have to go to the crypto section.
It shows you everything, like the election winner of Donald Trump.
Yeah. It's really cool.
Oh, this is sick.
We'll see.
Okay, there we go. Ethereum ETF approved by May 31st. There's only a 14% chance here on the left here. So yeah, basically the market's pricing in only 14% chance of the ETF being approved. So if we do get a surprise, I think, Ethereum's
gonna pump.
go to them. Like, actually, this could be a good bet. So, I guess because the odds favor being disapproved, if you bet yes, I think we could.
So what happens here? If you bet $10, how much would you get back?
Let's see. I think you have to sign in with like your MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. I'm to show you that. Oh wait. Hold on. So if we bet $10 on yes, why not?
Oh, so use this Matic, eh?
Oh, so $10 if you want to place that Ethereum ETF approved by May 31st, you'll get $71.
Oh, what?
Yeah, that's 7x return. But this isn't trading. This is like gambling that we're talking. It's like I think this is if you want to call it a trade, we could take it. Actually, yeah, you can place a market order or a limit order based on the odds here. And there's actually also like an order book. So like there's both a bid and an ask. So it's almost like it is like a exchange, but we're just we're trading the odds basically. This is what interesting. So
Yeah, this is cool though. Yeah, it's not only crypto, it's sports, everything.
Yeah, it's everything. Politics you can vote on. Biden versus Trump as well. I think we've gone a bit off topic, but
Yeah,
interesting, I think. What else?
I'm gonna bet on Liverpool to win the Premier League. Yeah, this.
Okay, well, WIF hit $5 by April 30th. 12% chance. What price is it now?
WIF.
Yeah.
It's at 3.37.
How much?
3.37.
Oh no way it's gonna hit $5 by April 30th.
For April. I know.
April 30th. So we only have like a week left, or less than a week.
No, there's no way. It would have to pump like 50%.
Alright, I think we should go get back to the charts.
Oh yeah.
Let's look at the heat map on TradingView because I don't think we've looked at that yet.
Let's have a look. Your Shiba's been quite slow compared to other coins.
So there we go. Yes, everything's all the alts are in the green. Like no surprise, just as we talked about. I guess Ethereum's up 1%, Solana's up 1.54, Polkadot's up 2.9. And we do have Matic up 3% on the day. What else do we have? Yeah, Wolf Hat. Dog with Hat is up 12%. What else? Not really seeing anything else really. Yeah, so really the biggest winners are Dog with Hat and Polkadot, Matic. Everything else is up like 1, 2%. Nothing major. Phantom is up 3%. Optimism's up 3%. Data, okay, that's it. Data's up 6%.
Oh, what?
Pretty decent day so far. And we're still like in the way in the pre-market hours for New York, so it's going to be an interesting day. Definitely want to put on some more longs, I think, later today.
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna wait for that AVAX long. Yeah, for AVAX, this is what we're looking at here. Basically, I mean, it is trading above the 21-day moving average, but the thing is, I want to see price go above like this level, 39.35. And once it happens, I think then we can take longs back up to 42 to like 44. Same as what Boris is saying. You could potentially just enter now, but I think wait for confirmation.
Yeah, let's check up on Matic. I think it's still up since taking it. Let me bring up my super charts again. My computer does take a while to load. It's got like a bunch of tabs open.
Which was the while.
It's actually Matic is still a valid trade to take if you guys missed the candle closure. Like we're still like testing this broken resistance. So it's still not that far away from the entry price. So literally like 0.11%. So I think it's still fine to take the trade at. Also, now that I'm looking at it, it's also like a, what do you call it, an ascending triangle.
Yeah.
Plus it has confluence with the 21 minutes. So I really like this trade. It's like these kind of trades really work out a lot in crypto.
I like the setup.
Yeah. So I think I would target like your first TP, like this, maybe this top like first at about 0.77, and then maybe just hold on to it until this level at 0.87.
Yeah, so that would be. So we had enter now. The first TP is like 2% away, and then we said the next one 0.8, 5, 7, 6%, and then 13%. But all you need to do is just move your stop loss break even when it hits like either like these levels.
Yeah. And Bitcoin dominance continues to slide down.
Yeah, and Bitcoin dominance continues to slide down. So I think we're definitely going to see some greens to finish the finish the day.
The daily
I mean the daily closure for crypto itself.
Yeah. Let's see.
CHC is doing pretty well today.
Oh, CHC is doing pretty well today. It's up like 7%.
I actually haven't been watching this play. Let's see.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely a little bit overextended.
Yeah, I mean it's definitely a little bit
yeah.
overextended for me. So
I can pull that back.
I think I can pull back to like 12 cents.
Maybe even like 12,
Maybe even like
12,
0.123. That would be,
that'll be good.
I don't know. That would be good.
Yeah, I like that.
I definitely wouldn't be taking it right here. I think it's,
But I definitely wouldn't be taking it right here. I think it's overextended.
I think it's a similar story with actually all the game I took out. So I've noticed that. CHC is not.
CHC. It is. It's a.
No. It's what do you call it? Like a sports NFT thing.
Oh yeah. It's game.
Yeah.
Looks like
I don't know.
But I think
it's like social file.
X does social file. I think we pretty much covered everything we want to talk about, all the alts.
So
the key ones to be aware of: the transfer today, Bitcoin dominance is down. Ethereum dominance is up. We gave you a Matic setup. We went over some interesting betting odds. I guess we can start to wrap it up in a couple of minutes.
Yeah. The last setup I do want to go over. It was big time. The big time setup.
All right, big time, yeah.
And then in the next 2 minutes, I think we'll call this.
No, I think we'll be doing some more like back-to-back streams tomorrow and Friday. Because I am in CoinW HQ, so won't get I don't know if I'll get another chance this year to do this.
Yeah, we'll definitely do it tomorrow and Friday. It's almost the end of the week. The week's going fast.
Yeah.
I do like this.
And I do like this big time setup now that you're pointing it out. So I think we took it yesterday as well. I did close it before heading to bed just because I don't like holding overnight positions on a lower time frame altcoin. But it's still valid. Like I think it's still pretty much at the same entry price as this pullback. So I do think I'll take the trade as well as long as it continues to hold this area. I like it a lot.
Yeah, as well. Yeah, I think that's that.
Yeah.
I think like Boris was saying, overall, like the market is bullish today. Bitcoin dominance is going down, so I'd rather just focus on the altcoins, not really look at Bitcoin or ETH, mainly just altcoins. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow.
All right. See you guys.